Yo, Sonny!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I got a call. Customer has a washing machine, an older stackable, and it makes noises every time it goes into the wash cycle or the spin cycle. Not when it's loading, not when it's draining the water. If it's draining the water and there's a noise, you got to check out the pump. Inside, usually the pump, and I'll show you when we open this, the pump usually has quarters or something stuck in it. But if you're getting the chirping noise like a bird, it's usually going to be the belt that controls the wash and the spin. So let's just turn it on and see if we can hear the noise. You hear that? Starts to spin. You hear that noise. Alright. So let's turn it off. Okay, it stopped. First thing you want to do is unplug the power. There are two screws. There's one in that corner and one on the bottom. And then the front of this will drop down. You kind of got to lift it and pull it up out of the way. Alright. Slide the door over. Let's get a flashlight in here. It's kind of dirty. I mean, a lot of them are because they're older. And if you look underneath here, you can see the belt. See that belt? It goes around that pulley right there. And it comes around a couple of pulleys underneath. Alright? What you want to do is you gotta look up your model number online, and there are a lot of online sites where you can buy parts for washing machines. So what you're going to do is you're going to go online and you're going to look for the belt for the washing machine for this particular stackable. And what I came up with is this here. Right, that's the item number. It's a washer belt, quantity 1. It's made by Power. Okay, it's a V-belt. Now, we're going to take this one off, and you don't want to cut it off, you want to take it off, and you want to just, match it with this one, make sure it's the right size, okay? So let's do that. Okay, now that we're underneath the unit, you can see the belt here. It's kind of loose, so to get it off, you just want to, as you're pushing it, you want to push down on the wheel here. And keep pushing it, and it'll come off the big wheel. You can see what I'm doing here. See this? And then you want to just get it loose. Now this pulley over here, see if I can do this right, get the light in for you. This pulley that it's around is a tension pulley. So you can actually push this in, take the tension off the belt, and take the belt out. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach down, we're going to get it out from underneath, alright, and you can see here, see where it's cut? That's where our noise was. So this was just a matter of time where this thing was going to split, and you would have no spinning or washing at all. Alright, so let's do this. Like I said, we're going to match up the belts to make sure they're the right size. Before you rip this little packaging, just kind of slide it out in case you have to return it. We're going to take our belt, we're going to kind of line it up like this. Make sure it's the same size all the way around. And it looks to be a good fit. Okay? So now we're going to take the new belt, we're going to put it back on the same way we took it off. Alright, so let me see if I can get a good angle at this to show you. Put it around. You're going to start on this side first. See the small pulley? Put it around the small pulley first, then the tension pulley. Then you're going to start spinning it around that big one. Push that tension pulley down. get the belt started on the big wheel like this. You're going to start spinning it on the big wheel till it catches, and there it goes, and it's on. So that's it. That's how you stop the noise in on a washing machine, the bird noise. And we're going to turn it on and we're going to see if it cured the noise. Alright, after putting it back together, let's give it another shot. I gotta plug it in. Duh. Hold on. Alright, now that I plugged it in, let's try it again. Put a little water in it. Turn the dial. That's it. It's all set. Nice and quiet. We'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.
Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?